Good morning guys, today we've got here XIAOMI 15T and let me show you how to check serial number assigned to this device. So at first, let's enroll the settings. Then find and select About Phone, scroll down, mark Detailed Info, go a bit lower and here select Status. Now mark Model and here you have your serial number. So this is the first method. However, you can reach it a bit more quickly. So if you want to perform the action pretty quick, you need to have it right in front of you. In this very moment, just open your phone dialer and enter code *#06#. And here it is. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.